Good medical morning. This is Watson, your warlord of the weird and prince of popping. Today, we're going to check out Pennsylvania's most popular professional pimple popper and beauty blogger, the Derm Diva Pro. Click like for all the awesome alliteration. While you watch some of her highlights and clips, I'll tell you what I know about the esthetician known as Derm Diva. Amy McKinley graduated from Ohio State University in 2004 with a master's in physician assistant studies. Since graduating, she's worked in various medical settings, but has always had a passion for skincare, and more specifically in cosmetic dermatology. She has more than 12 years of experience in the field of minimally invasive cosmetic procedures, including dermal fillers, neurotoxins, and PDO threads. When Amy is not working, you can find her hitting the ski slopes, fly fishing, or at a sporting event with her husband Matt and their 4 children. 4 children? Wow, I would never have guessed. On Fridays, she posts popping videos on Instagram. Here's the full clip she posted last week. Check out her page at Derm Diva Pro.